Hi everyone, welcome to Hmong Creations. So today I'm just going to go over my tie bar that I have listed on my website. It is the Hmong tie clip tie bar for standard size. It's going for $20 right now, and it's $4 shipping. So what it is it's a silver plated tie bar clip that I glue on with some jewelry glue, the Hmong charm, onto the tie bar. I haven't had anyone complain that it's fallen off, but if it does, just message me. We can definitely work it out. I do test them obviously before I ship them out to make sure it won't fall off easily, and I use quite a bit of strength and it doesn't fall off. So the glue has been working well. And the charm itself is about 2.5 inches wide, and then I would say about 1.5 inches tall. And it is silver plated, or the Hmong call it second silvers. So I would also recommend, if you buy one, to store it in a Ziploc bag or a airtight sealed container that will prevent it from tarnishing. So the way I store my items, all my second silver items, I keep it in a Ziploc bag, and I've had things for like over a year and they're still fine. So definitely recommend you storing it in a Ziploc bag to prevent it from tarnishing. So again, I just wanted to show you guys, and I do have one review by Kabao Wu. She said she gave me 5 stars for the Hmong tie bar, so she liked it. Happy customer. So thanks again for stopping by. I just want to again share my Hmong tie clip with you guys, and it's available on hmongcreations.etsy.com. So thank you guys, and have a good rest of the day.